So welcome to another video on Learn with Bonis. So the thing is, how did I learn web development in WordPress? So alright, it's been like how many years? 2018, 2019. Yeah, that's when I got addicted to watching YouTube tutorials. Yeah, in the dorm. On my almost of the spare times I will be in the dorm or in a room watching YouTube tutorials from this guy called Freddy Coupe. So you can see this is the guy who just creates a kind of like tutorials on WordPress from start to finish, buying a domain, hosting the website, creating everything, editing everything on the website. So this is the guy who I've been addicted to watching his content for all of the time. So what I can say, right? This is the only way which I learned WordPress website development. I did not even buy any course. Yes, I kept on searching on YouTube for other courses, but well, somehow I used to watch this guy, right? And somehow I continued watching between Freddy Korpersboek and this guy on the internet, on the YouTube. That's the only thing. I did not even buy any single course on Udemy on WordPress development. And what were the results? Well, you can see my website. This is my website which I did create using what I've learned, and this is the website which I also create using what I learned over the time. How long did I took to learn WordPress development? Well, it took me like what can I say? It took me like a few videos. In fact, let me say a year or to 2 years. But in between, I was doing it as I was learning it in web development. So guys, if you wanna try it, you can just scroll around the YouTube platform, and I'll try to make content on WordPress web development on the YouTube, hoping that it will help you. But this is how I learned it. I hope it will be helpful for you, and have a nice day. Cheers. Bye for now. I'm leaving my camera behind.